Let's cut to the chase on this. I'm going to give you an opportunity today to become a millionaire if you'll pay attention and do what I ask you to do. I have come across more and more about the impact that AI is going to have on my life and how I can change other people's lives by making them millionaires. I'm going to show you a website now that I have created where I'm sharing with my tribe members the opportunity to learn about stocks and make good decisions on purchasing stocks, because there are good companies and then there are good stocks, and one doesn't have to be the other. There are some very excellent companies right now that are overvalued and just will not give you the opportunity to become a millionaire, and then there are others. AMPX is one of them. I want to show it to you. I want to show you how I present it to my tribe, and then you make a decision today whether you want to become a millionaire or not. This is AMPX. This is my presentation of Best of Us Investors on AMPX. I'm just going to take you through it quickly and show you what you can learn. Here it tells you what the name of the company is, what its current price is, how much I own. Here it breaks it into an executive summary, tells you everything you need to know about this stock to make a good decision, then gives a ranking on it because it's a speculative stock. It's a 62, gives you a quantitative analysis about its profitability, its liquidity, its solvency, its efficiency. I don't think these are things that you know about most stocks. Then it tells you, and it gives you an analysis of its income statement and its balance sheet, and tells you what its metrics are. It then gives you a projection of what its gross margins, its operating margins, and what its EBITDA is going to be over the coming and the past. Then it goes into its key ratios and teaches you what a PE ratio, what a PEG ratio, what earning EV to revenues, everything you need to know to make a good decision. Then I share my analysis of it, which is called Carey's Rule of 40. I don't buy a stock unless it's growing. And to my way of thinking, a stock has to have its revenues growing in excess of 20% per year, and it's got to have its earnings per share growing at 20% a year. Add those two together, that equals 40. This stock comes out at a 55 and explains to you exactly why it is. Then we go into its market opportunity. It explains to you that they have a tremendous opportunity to make these lithium batteries, the most concentrated energy in a lithium battery of any company in the United States, and that's growing in the Defense Department at 25% per year. We're looking, remember, for 20. The urban air and mobility, this is flying airplanes, that's growing at 30% per year. And then EVs, consumer vehicles, that's growing at 18% a year. It has a TAM of roughly $50 billion between now and 2030. This is what everybody's really interested in. Let's do a comparison. Who's their competition and how do they rank, and what are the metrics? And then what is the projected price of the stock going to be over the next 3 years under a conservative, a moderate, and an aggressive. And as you can see, the stock is currently at $16.33, and we're projecting it will end the year at $28. Thus, you'll make 71% on your current investment. It'll then grow to $38. That'll give you a 133% growth on your today's investment. And then it'll grow up to $48, which will give you 194% growth on your investment. On the other hand, if everything goes right, interest rates come down, we have need for more drones and more batteries, we have airplanes flying with electricity, then it's going to go to $75 and you're going to make 359% on your investment today. That's what this stock is all about. It's already up substantially this year, but for this year, it will be one of the fastest growing stocks. Then we go into the risk analysis, and I'm not going to go through all this. I'm going to give you free access to this so you can, but then I'm going to give you also an access to the quantitative analysis. What's their business model? What's the CEO all about? What's the regulatory and geopolitical situations? And then with the risk involved, what's its ranking? 5. Call to action. What we speculatively think you should do, where your stop loss should be, and bullish confirmations that you should add more. And then here is the kicker. Here is Samantha. Let me introduce you to Samantha. She is my AI agent. She can take all this and put it into words that you can understand. Let me give you a peek at it.
Into the quantitative analysis. For financial health, welcome to Best of Us Investors, the podcast where we break down the data behind the stocks that matter most to growth investors. I'm Samantha, your AI stock analyst, and today we're diving deep into Amprius Technologies, ticker symbol AMPX, a company that just delivered one of the most impressive earnings reports in the battery technology space. Let's set the stage. As of March 6, 2026, AMPX is trading at $16.33 per share, up nearly 10% on the day. And if you zoom out, this stock has been on an absolute tear, up 792% over the past 52 weeks. That's not a typo. From a low of $1.70 to where we are today, Amprius has been one of the best performing stocks in the entire market. But here's the critical question for Best of Us investors. Can it double from here by January 2029? Let's dig into the numbers, starting with the executive summary.
And that's what she does. She digs into the numbers for every stock that we preview. Roughly, we have 60 of them now. She promises me that by the middle of the year, we'll be analyzing 100 stocks, and you'll get this kind of access to information so you can make informed decisions, so that you can become a millionaire, just like the millionaires have been who have had access to this kind of information through Wall Street in the past. You have access to it now through Best of Us Investors. We're a Main Street, not a Wall Street company. We don't charge you millions of dollars for this kind of information. Come to our website, spend 14 days, go through our information, see if you're a better investor, and if you are and you want to become a millionaire, then the ball's in your court.